Meet the all-new Keychron K3HE and K3 Ultra. Slim, high performance, and power efficient. Rosewood accents are mounted on the precision-machined metal frame, designed to look good and built to deliver a next-level input experience. K3HE is a slim, wireless magnetic keyboard powered by advanced Hall effect sensing and Keychron low-profile ultrafast line magnetic switches, giving you full control. Actuation depth is fully adjustable, from light, instant taps to deeper, intentional input. With rapid trigger, keys reset based on movement, not fixed actuation points, unlocking faster response. Dynamic keystrokes let one key do more, assigning multiple actions at different press depths. Analog mode delivers smooth, variable control, ideal for precise gaming movement and expressive input in creative workflows. K3 Ultra is a slim mechanical keyboard built for speed, featuring an 8,000 Hz polling rate in both wired and 2.4 GHz wireless modes. Latency is 1,000 times faster than human reaction time. Powered by efficient, open-source ZMK firmware, it delivers up to 550 hours of wireless battery life. Play and work for over 3 months on a single charge. Pre-lubed Keychron Milk Palm low-profile mechanical switches ensure smooth, consistent keystrokes. Both keyboards are equipped with LSA double-shot PBT keycaps that are oil-resistant and built to last. Refined RGB lighting shines with intention, never distraction. Customize keys, layers, macros, and RGB lighting directly in your browser with Keychron Launcher. No downloads, no hassle. Both keyboards offer native support for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Keychron K3HE and K3 Ultra. Slim design, precision input, efficient, powerful, and built to elevate your workflow and performance with endless possibilities.